Well, good morning. It's Nadine. And today I'm celebrating with a mud mask because today is the last tray of box number 1 of my Invisalign journey. And I decided that, wow, this is a huge milestone. So I'm celebrating with a mud mask. Isn't this lovely? This is Fango Mud to restore and rejuvenate the face. Yes, I think this is quite lovely, darling. So I'm just saying, here are my new trays. Oop, that's a little too close. Whoopsies. Here's tray number 15. 15 right here. They're going to be going in real soon. In fact, I wonder if I can pop them in while I'm talking because I've gotten really good about this. So here's my bottom tray. Yeah. There we go. Bottom tray's in. And let's go for the top tray now. Woo-hoo! I've gotten really good at that, right? Wow. So I just thought this would be a fun, bizarre way, maybe to get some views, because that's the thing we do. All this whole video thing is about views. So if you're watching this and going, what the heck is she doing with the green face? You can go, hey, Nadine is celebrating the last tray 15 of box number 1 of 5, box number 1 of my Invisalign journey. So post a comment below of how you celebrate milestones. And then, just because we want to grow, do likes and shares and, put your stories and put pictures of what you do for milestones. Anyway, thanks for following along, everybody. This is Nadine out. Box 1 is going to be done completely in 4 days because I got them in, baby. I got them in. All right, here we go. Woo!